journey has come to an end. I have learned a lot from these sessions. How to introduce ourselves, that was very good. The picture vocabulary, the day-to-day vocabulary which has been told, it is tremendous. We are going to use, and I'm using it in the day-to-day life. I have grown in many terms. Like it has been holistic growth from the day I joined and today. It has been, I've felt this improvement in myself. Whenever I'm thinking, I'm thinking in English only. Whenever I'm talking, even to my parents, I'm doing it in English.
The worst students are those students who come blank mind in this class and just say, okay sir, you give me, I don't know anything. Because if you think you don't know anything, you will never know anything in your life. Because this is a very bad concept, that I don't know anything. Come in this class, that I know so many things, I just need to brush it up.
I feel so good that I'm a part of Groom Institute. Actually, Groom Institute is one of the best institute, and because I know when I came here before 1 month, I just thought that I can speak English. I can communicate with everyone. What is English? We can do it easily. It's really a problem in me. I never pronunciate the things very easily. And second thing is my fluency is not there. And there are lots of things like that, and I'm just working on it regular basis. I'm working on it. The most of beautiful notes, I'm working on it. So I'm just try to speak good, just try to get some effective words in my language that people get affected by me. So I just want to do like that. But the things I'm just feeling that how many changes are coming inside me. It's really great.
Now, formal yes is about, of course, by all means, yeah, go right ahead, absolutely, certainly. And formal no is I'm afraid not really, actually, no, I'm sorry, likewise. We say that. Okay.
I still remember the first day I entered this class, and in my head there was going, we are going to study here. I used to think that we will be taught basic English, how to pronounce, how to use new words, but no, this class included a lot more than that. I have never thought that it will include GDs and interviews like that. The words we use in our day-to-day life, we don't know the exact terminology of that, but now I know. So that is the big thing. Hindi comes out of my mouth very rare. Very rarely it comes out of my mouth. So this is the change I feel in myself.
I don't know how to use them and how to use the tenses, phrases or idioms, all the things. Even I don't know the meaning of idioms. But through this program, I have learned so many things, how to use the phrases, how to prepare in an interview, how to crack a GD, and how to use the phrases, idioms.
Communication is about that you should give a certification to yourself. Not even a single word should come out of your mouth which you are not thinking.
I would like to thank Groom Institute for this advanced teaching. It's my honor to be a part of Groom Institute, and I get opportunity to speak in front of you. I am sure we can hardly get this environment, English environment. I learned a lot from here. Before joining this institution, I have a very stage fear. I can't speak to the public and audience. But now it's only little bit, and my speaking is my vision is to speak in English and mainly listening skills. I sincerely thank everyone for helping me so that I can be good in English.
Because speaking is a very different zone, and writing is a very different zone. Listening and reading is a part of both the things. It's like if you want to become very good in speaking, you have to go into listening also, you have to get into reading also. And similarly in written English also, if your ideas are not there, if if you're not reading properly, if you're not a good listener, how can you be a good writer?
Environment of our classes is awesome. We hardly get it anywhere, and before I'm joining the course, I have a phobia of English. Somebody have a phobia of water, but I have a phobia of English. But I keep working on English, so I'm started to love the English, and now I am learned a lot from here. My experience was terrific, and I'm not only learn English, but I'm also know how to implement those things in our daily to daily life. And I am able to cover up my whole English section, means speaking, listening, and reading, and all of these things. I am not only learn English, but I'm also learn how to express yourself with others, and how to crack any interview, GDs, and lots of things.
So I just believe that I'm a very optimistic person. I just see end in mind before I begin something. End in mind. Like if you join this course, what is the end result? What will be the end result? What I'm going to make you? What I'm going to build you for? So is it just about a chatterbox who speaks in English, or a person with a very broader vision towards English?